In today's world of sustainable gardening, finding eco-friendly solutions for pest control is of utmost importance. One such effective and environmentally friendly approach is encouraging beneficial insects in the garden. This video will explore the significance of beneficial insects, their role in natural pest control, and practical steps to attract and support them in your garden. What are beneficial insects? Beneficial insects are a group of arthropods that provide valuable services to garden ecosystems. Unlike harmful pests that damage plants and disrupt the garden's equilibrium, beneficial insects act as natural predators or parasites. They help keep pest populations in check and promote overall plant health. Praying mantises, known for their striking appearance. Praying mantises feed on a variety of insects, including beetles, grasshoppers, and moths. The role of beneficial insects in natural pest control. Beneficial insects are instrumental in maintaining ecological balance within the garden. By feeding on harmful pests, they help prevent outbreaks and the subsequent damage caused to plants. Their activities also reduce the need for synthetic chemical pesticides, which can be harmful to both beneficial insects and the environment. Identifying beneficial insects. Being able to identify beneficial insects is essential for gardeners who want to encourage their presence. Observe the garden closely and look for characteristic signs and physical features of these helpful creatures. Some beneficial insects are easily recognizable by their vibrant colors or unique body shapes. Attracting beneficial insects to your garden. To create an inviting habitat for beneficial insects, it is essential to provide the right resources and conditions. Plant diversity. Grow a wide variety of plants with different flower shapes and sizes to attract diverse beneficial insects. Nectar-rich flowers. Include flowers that produce abundant nectar, such as daisies, marigolds, and cosmos, to provide food for adult beneficial insects. Pollen sources. Plant flowers that produce pollen, such as sunflowers and coneflowers, to nourish certain beneficial insects. Host plants. Some beneficial insects require specific host plants to lay their eggs and complete their life cycles. For instance, monarch butterflies need milkweed as their host plant. Companion planting for natural pest control. Companion planting involves strategically placing certain plants together to enhance their growth or repel pests. This practice can also attract beneficial insects that contribute to natural pest control. The Three Sisters plant corn, beans, basil and tomatoes. Growing basil alongside tomatoes can help repel pests and attract pollinators, providing shelter and water. Creating a hospitable environment for beneficial insects involves more than just providing food sources. Consider these factors to attract and retain these helpful garden allies. Insect hotels. Construct insect hotels or use natural materials like logs, rocks, and leaf litter to offer shelter to beneficial insects. Water sources. Place shallow dishes or saucers filled with water in the garden to provide a drinking spot for thirsty insects, minimizing harm to beneficial insects. To encourage beneficial insects to thrive, avoid using broad-spectrum chemical pesticides that can harm them along with harmful pests. Instead, adopt integrated pest management (IPM) techniques, which prioritize prevention, monitoring, and targeted pest control methods, other natural pest control methods. While beneficial insects are essential for natural pest control, integrating other techniques can further enhance your garden's resilience. Beneficial nematodes. Apply beneficial nematodes to the soil to control soil-dwelling pests like grubs and root maggots. Physical barriers. Use row covers or netting to protect plants from pests without using chemicals. Encouraging beneficial insects in the garden is a sustainable and effective way to achieve natural pest control. By creating a diverse and welcoming habitat, gardeners can attract these valuable allies and reduce their reliance on chemical pesticides. Embracing a holistic approach to pest management not only protects the environment, but also contributes to the overall health and vibrancy of the garden ecosystem. So let's welcome these tiny superheroes to our gardens and watch them work their magic.